the setting, when you say rich, it's rich.
At the same time, hindi mo matatanggal yung anime at maging first impression yun because of the book. If you see the movie ngayon, papunta doon yung styling, they're not really your normal daily clothes.
I'd rather use the term larger than life yung ginawa namin dito. Kumaga, it may not look very anime, pero makikita mo na rin very distinctive. You remember their look. So, ito yung parang sinasabi ko na talagang tatatak sa mga tayo mga itsura nila. With Shaz naman, very straight lang yung ano niya, yung characterization niya. So, very clean ang lines niya, ang colors niya, I went for the neutrals, from maroons, parang I usually play on 2 colors lang sa kanya para makita, ma-identify na siya naman yung character, siya yung straight character dito, siya yung good.
Pag sinabi ko sa'yo, I know how it feels. I really do.
Tapos with Lori naman, yung characterization ko first sa kanya is because she grew up abroad, UK primarily. So parang ginawa ko sa kanya, very street punk, very British, street smart yung look niya na parang she has punk, she has character, even the hairstyle. Where I pattern it every time sa mga, nakikita ko sa mga magazines, sa mga fashion magazines na yung usual style ng mga, as we say, mga OOTDs ng mga bata.
Nalala ko si Cassandra.
With James Reid naman, his character as Ross, parang what I saw kasi is this kid growing up in a very old-fashioned way na parang he grew up na yung father niya sobrang strict, his father tells him what to do. So, doon ko nakuha yung inspiration. Yung characterization niya is ginawa ko na parang medyo yung color scheming ko sa kanya, medyo nasa gray, nasa black, nasa white, sobrang muted, sobrang shady colors yung sa kanya kasi yung pinagdadaan niya inner. Pero, his mom died a very early stage, kaya ganun na lang yung naging hugot niya dun sa character niya.
Patay ka sa akin.
As described in the book, the character is simple. Meron kaming like the created stages of the growth of acne on her face, which is a bit exaggerated as compared to a regular teenager's pimples.
Because she has parang physical problems, iniba ko siya na parang nagkaroon ng ginawa kong happy colors, ginawa kong hindi naman over the top, pero you can see na parang she's trying her best to feel okay even though she's not.
Hindi si Direk Andor, oh my gosh.
He's probably more fun than a teen. So for me, he understands, the way I act also.
Oh, Direk Andoy, it's a pleasure working with him. I've known him for years and years and years ago. When I was little, I'd be doing commercials or doing little roles. And then I got to work with him in a soap 2 years ago. Tapos when we got to meet for like this meeting before everything, before the movie, he was like, oh, Yasi, alam mo na, magkakatrabaho tayo ulit. And I was like, yes, kasi ang gaan sa trabaho.
Because it's like, he's your coach in basketball. Because when I asked him, like, can I do this specific acting? And he said, well, in basketball, there's 1,000 ways to shoot the ball. So like, she said, in other words, like, different possibilities of acting. It's like basketball. So for me, he relates to basketball also, since, that's what I also love doing.
High energy always. He's very helpful. He's great. He's amazing.
Sobrang sarap niyang katrabaho. Actually, sila ni Direk Mark. Ayos sila, walang stress sa set. As in, very, very relaxed. Very chill. Although, meron naman siya kapag naghahabol ng oras. Pero, kukwentuhan. Talaga yung bonding namin nakakatawa. Actually, we'll see that on Instagram. Makikita mo yung mga pictures namin o kung anong ginagawa namin. Kasi pag nagkukwentuhan, masarap katrabaho si Direk Andoy.
What can you expect from me? I did a lot of fun things. Because I'm fun, but not Jake. Okay? So, there's a big difference kasi I am doing romantic comedy, mga bagets. So, walang masyadong gayness, pero ang gusto kong ma-achieve is yung youthfulness ng mga teens at 20s, in their 20s, mga ganyan. My inspiration is definitely my 20s or my early 20s which was 20 years ago. So I was trying to relive it na parang, how fun was I during that time, ganyan. So ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve yung essence nung being in their early 20s now. So this is really very youthful. From my sexy adult when the love is gone. But I just hope na they would also accept this as the other side of my personality. Na youthful, na ano naman, na pambagets.
Kulang yung 50 pesos. Please. Si James, sanay naman na siya since he had love teams before. Ako din naman. Una kong nakatrabaho si James sa Alam Na Ba, sa music video na he was used to it. Parang alam niya na kung anong gagawin niya. Ako, actually, yung music video niya nung nag-shoot kami, ako pa yung nahiya. Kasi parang, alam niya na gagawin niya, parang ako, wait lang, nahihiya ako. Siyempre, James Reid, di ba? So, masaya siya katrabaho. Walang negativity, walang stress. So, dito, kami ni James, ang bonding na din namin usap, kwentuhan, ganun. Si Aya kasi si Cross, yung tao, click sa kanila, kasi si Cross, ngayon siya kay Aya. Pero alam mo, kahit masama siya, merong love. Parang, it's so hard to explain. Na parang, kahit magkaaway sila palagi, nakakakilig siya.
Okay, with James,
Matuwa siya. Ito maganda.
nakikinig, sumusunod, but very, very challenging kasi, James has this good-looking face, very charming. He still wants to make an effort in making himself feel like he's good-looking, pero he doesn't really have to because he is a very good-looking person. So yun yung challenges na parang I want to take that off from his mind, na just think about your character, think about how are you going to make Cross a three-dimensional character, not just guwapo lang, ganyan.
Huwag ka na mag-comment. Baka mabinat ako. Kasalanan mo. She's